Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, simply hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So both of the keys at the same time, and you will see a Mi logo, and then feel a vibration, at which point you will let go. And there we go, we're now in the recovery mode. Now from here you can reboot the device, wipe data, which is basically formatting it, and also connect with Mi Assistant. And you navigate through this menu using volume keys, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So because I want to leave it, I'm going to select reboot, power key, and then power key once more, and that takes me back to Android. And there we go, as you can see we're now in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.